Good day, guys, and welcome to Tesla's Boot channel. So today we are learning two things, which are neomorphism design and custom shape. So let's start from custom shape. So now let's start from by changing the color of the background. So we have this, delete the text on the screen already, and then add a new shape and change the color, mark it down, and use the manual mode to increase the height of your shape. So we have this, then use your relative position to place it at the center. We have this, and then add a new shape now. Then choose this, then mark it down. Then rotate it until it stands upright. And then increase the size. Then use your relative position to place it at the middle. And use your normal position to move it down. Okay, we have this. So now let's change the color for this. Okay, we are choosing red for it now. And then now add a new shape. So we have this. And don't forget to change the color to the same color with the first shape, and then use your position to place it at the middle. Now we have this. Then add a sticker. And let's place it here. Let's just reduce the size a little bit, and then use the center stuff to place at the center, and then use your position to move it down a little bit. Okay, we have this now. The next thing is to match the four tools together. Now click here and then mark everything together, and then merge it. Okay, we have a single entity now. And then the next thing is to remove the red color. So now by doing this, click on erase color, and then click on the potential icon there. Use your hand to move it manually to the color you want to remove. Now we are removing the red color, then mark it out. So if you can check here now, you can see that we still have the red shape on the stove here, but we don't have it here. It's not more here again. So now by removing it from here, I'm not showing here again, you have to add a new shape, and then use the same color with the color of the one you have already here, and then reduce the size, then match both of them together. So we're having this now. So you change the color to any color of your choice now, you still have the same thing. So now you have it like this. Then you can just use your shadow stuff, and then offset it a little bit for your work to look more perfect. So now you have a custom shape now. So you can use this process or this procedure for other shapes also. So now the next thing is neomorphism design. So now let's move to neomorphism design. So now we have an empty space now. Then add a color to your background. Let's pick a color for the background. Picking a white color. Then delete the text I have it already. Okay, let me change the color for the background. Think I'm not using pure white. Okay, I'm using this color now. Then the next thing is just to add a shape. Then mark it down. Then move to your color, and then add the same color as your background. For you to do this, just move to the color that you have for your background. Now we have picked it now. So then place it at the center. If you click out now, you can't see the shape again. Then click on the screen to be on your shape, and then move to shadow. Then click here and then offset it. Try to use the X to offset on the x-axis and the y-axis. Now let's use 8.8.2. Then mark it down. You can see now that it's as if you only have one side. The shape of one side. The other side is as almost be the same thing with the background. So now click on it and then copy. So once you have copied it now, then rotate it around and then use your relative position to move it to the center. So both of them are the same position now. Then move to this, go to your shadow again, and then change the color for the shadow to white. Okay, you can see that you have something like a button that's on the screen. So now just match the two together. So we have a single like this, and then use a relative position to place that in the middle, and then let's duplicate it by copy it. Just 3 copy, and then move it to the center. The third copy to the center. So now you have 3 copy at the center now. Now for you to move the two of them to the side, for them to be aligned, just click on the position and increase it to the highest point, and use your left arrow to move it. Okay, let's move back. Let's to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we move 9 times now. Now for the second one also, go to your position, increase it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have the same thing for both sides. Now go to your gallery. Let me move my gallery now to import some icon, or let me call it logo, to use. So now I've uploaded 3 icons I want to use now. Now let me reduce the size for this. So once you reduce the size, use your relative position to place it at the middle. You have this there. Then for the second shape also, second icon, use your relative position to place it at the middle. I think the size is more bigger than what we need. Then adjust it and place it at the middle, and then use the same scope you use for the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get it? So now, and the next one, next icon, reduce the size and then place it at the middle. And then use the position to move it to the left. 6, 7, 8, 9. So now this is what we called NEOMORPHISM design. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any issue with it, you are feel free to DM me. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day.